Hi! So, right now we're making a video for the auditions.
Hi, my name is Aubrey Behek. I'm 25 years old from Cebu and this is my teammate.
I am Krista, who's on 23 years of age, also from Aubrey and I have been friends for about 4 years. 4 years.
Yeah, 4 years.
Since 2000 na yun, medyo konti lang yung mga female na naglalaro ng downhill skateboard. Not along that very quickly, actually. Kumain lang kami ng barbecue doon.
Hindi din siya mag-skate na longboard. Same din sa akin, mga sports. Pero talaga yung ano niya, pinaglalaro niya na pinag-trace talaga na focus ay yung motor underboard circuit. Yun talaga yung pinaghihirapan niya na mag-trace sa kahit
Mahilig din siya sa sports like wakeboard, longboarding, skimboarding. Yeah. Gusto ko din sa kanya yung at times na siya yung pinapapunta ko. Talagang pumupunta siya. Kahit medyo malayo yung bahay namin, like 1 hour. Almost 1
including
hour.
the traffic. Gumagala kami south or north sa Cebu. Pagmumotor lang, sama ng mga ibang kaibigan namin, mag-camping. Magdala lang kami ng kaming hamak. There are times na meron ding misunderstanding.
Tendency ko at times is, I say yes, but then last minute parang, ay wag na lang.
Ganun siya.
Yun yung tendency niya. Us, life is a race. Yeah. She races downhill skateboarding while I race on two wheels. A team up of Angelina Jolie and Michelle Rodriguez. Tipong magugustuhan nyo. May diskarte, matalino, tsaka gutsy. All in na. We dare you to challenge us. Happy racing!